All right, so yesterday, if you remember, I got so excited, I went ahead and gave you the equation. So hopefully you wrote this down. I also told you that you do not have to do a strip diagram, which is good. I went ahead and told y'all that, so you didn't try to do it today, because drawing 15 boxes or 35 boxes, and that's way too much. It's just not okay. So our model will be our area model this time. And that is our first step, and we know that now because it's in parentheses. And when you see a parentheses in a problem, that means that's your first step. So I need to do 35 times 15. So I'm going to go ahead, and if I need to kind of leak over into this box, it's okay. And I'm going to draw my area model. Now 35 is my first factor. So I'm going to break up that factor into expanded form, and I'm going to write 30 plus 5. My next factor is 15, and I'll put that in expanded form on over here on this side, and write 10 plus 5. Remember, a good way where you know how to split up your boxes is where that plus sign is. You'll split it that way, and then I have another one here, so I will split it this way. All right, so my 30, remember, goes down, down, down in both boxes. So 30 and 30. Same thing for my 5. It goes down in this box and down that box. Last year when my kids, a couple of them had problems knowing where to drop it to, I said, imagine this is an elevator. He's on the top floor, then he goes down to this floor, then he goes down to the bottom floor. These guys are on an escalator, okay? Kind of like if you've ever been to the airport and you jump on that walkway that moves you and it moves across. Okay, so these guys go across. So you get 10 here and 10 here. And then the 5 does the same thing. It just moves across. So you go 5 and 5 like that. Now you're ready to multiply. So, basic fact, 3 times 1 is 3, 1, 2 zeros. I'm going to move them down here. 1, 2. All right. Basic fact, 5 times 1. Move your 0 down. Okay. Next one. All right, guys. So here I have 5 times 3. That's my basic fact, which is 15. Cross out the 1 0 and move it down. And then 5 times 5 is 25. So these are called partial products because they're part of your actual product, your answer to a multiplication. So you're going to take all 4 of these and add them up to get your answer. Careful, they're lined up correctly. Okay, so my 1's place. Okay, so I just have 5. And then I have 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 3, 4, 5. So $525 is her income. But now I need to subtract her expenses. So 525 minus 245. 5 minus 5 is nothing. Can't do 2 minus 4. Remember, more on the floor, go next door. That becomes 4, and that's 12. 12 minus 4, I think that's 8. Let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 8. And then 4 minus 2 is 2. So Miss Gray made $280. So I multiplied because it said each one was $15. I subtracted because it said profit. All right, guys, if you made any mistakes, I want you to fix them so you have them for your quiz tomorrow.